Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find the font type templates on the FilmMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button, but in the project section you can find your old videos and project. Actually, if you want to find the different templates, for example font types, click to the asset library button at the upper side of the screen, and in the lower bar you can find the font option, and here you can find normal, animated, variety, designed, cinematic and others, and just select one and you can use. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.